Hey there, I couldn't help but notice, but there's the word buyback on some of your vehicles. What is a buyback?
It's a great question. A manufacturer buyback vehicle is one that was repurchased from its original owner, either due to unresolved repairs that have since been fixed or due to a simple parts delay.
That's interesting. Does it come with any warranties?
Another great question. They absolutely do come with warranty, and in some cases, it's actually better than when they were a new vehicle. In fact, every buyback vehicle will come with its own disclosure detailing exactly what happened and what they did to fix it. For example, this one here will show that it did have a battery issue, and they just had to replace the battery to fix the vehicle.
I would like to know, has your service department checked it out?
Of course. So go head over to our service department so we can review all the repairs together.
Perfect.
All of our used vehicles go through a rigorous inspection process and are even test driven to ensure top performance and reliability. We check things like brakes, tire wear, glass, electronics, sensors, spark plugs, engines, transmissions, batteries, filters, and check all fluids. We want to make sure every vehicle is safe and road ready before it's sold.
Thanks for clearing that up. That makes a lot of sense. This sounds like the perfect vehicle for us.
Buyback vehicles are safe, inspected, and backed by a warranty. And with our full transparency, you can buy with confidence. If you have any other questions, stop by and we'd love to help.